The Caregiver allows you to invite a family member to enjoy the AARP Personalized Nutrition Meal Plan Creator, giving you access to their account to manage their meal plans and have groceries delivered right to their door. Start by clicking on the person icon at the top right of your navigation bar. You want to help your mom eat a healthier diet. Click on Invite Family Member now. The Send Invite box will appear. Fill out your mom's first name, last name, and email. For training purposes, we are going to use Mary Polson and a test email account. Now click Send Invite. Your mom will receive an email letting them know that you have invited her to join the program. You will also receive an email confirming that your mom has been invited to the Meal Plan Creator. She will need to accept invite and create her own password to access the app. She might choose not to sign up. That is okay, you can still get access to her account immediately. However, if she does accept invite, she will need to bookmark the URL provided for her in her email to access the login page again, as her access is not through the AARP landing page, like yours is. After sending the invite, you are brought directly into your mom's account to set up her profile and create a menu and shopping list for her. Your screen will be outlined in yellow and her name will show at the top, so it is clearly defined whether you are working in her account or your Meal Plan Creator account. You can also access her account by clicking on the person icon again, which instead of displaying an invite will now display her account, or going to the profile account setting page and clicking on her name as a hyperlink. If your mom chooses to accept invite and wants to use the program too, you can view her screen at the same time she is viewing hers and set up her menu with her. If you are making changes at the same time, for example, you just added a new breakfast item to her My Menu, she will need to click the refresh button so she can see the changes on her screen that you made, or if she made changes, you will need to do the same. After you have set her menus, you can create a shopping list and have the groceries delivered directly to her by clicking on Get Ingredients with Instacart and filling out their required information. If you want to get back to your account, simply click the black back arrow in the upper right of the screen. This will take you back to your account.